Hello everybody, on the workbench today is a 6 transistor cordless Channel Master 6510 AM radio. It does somewhat work. But I'm going to see if I can make it work a little better.
To make Dad proud, I built my own generator for the science fair. With my Cub Scout knife, I whittled down the skate for power cables and fastened copper wires, all leading to a tiny
That's
house.
about it.
When you crank the handle, the porch
That's
lights
full
come on.
volume.
On the day of the science fair,
And the sound's a bit distorted,
I can tell you Daddy built
so not
this.
really usable. So let's crack it open and see what we can get into. Here's a look at the schematics. It's got a date of 10/61. 6510 Channel Master. See if we can get it going. All right. I would suspect I've got some electrolytic capacitors that are a little bit past their prime. All the adjustments are sealed off, so I don't think anybody's tried to mess with it, so that's a good thing. So I will first start out by spraying the volume control. It's a little scratchy. And we'll see about swapping some capacitors out. So far, I have just replaced one electrolytic capacitor, and it's working a heck of a lot better already. So we'll just continue on. A while later, I have the electrolytic capacitors replaced. Everything's soldered up nicely and in pretty good shape. I'm going to clean the volume control one more time. It's loud and louder. There's the two settings on it, but it does work a lot better.
Think it's an asset when it's a dark liability. And I have you can go look at this. Here, you ain't full recorded. Your future check.
I'd like people to think you're an idiot. Back to you.
Here's your lead.
Well, good news. I got my new volume on-off switch put in. Here's the old one. They would turn on and off, but it was on loud or louder. This one has a bit more range to it, and I had to use a bit of unconventional mounting. I had to cut the lugs off and then solder wires to them where they'd go through the board at the right places. But it seems to be working, and I kind of touched up on a couple other wires that look like they were going to break, so I will get it all soldered in place real good. I just got it kind of tacked now and get it looped around those terminals, and should be ready for a final test finally. Let's pop the batteries back in it and see what happens. Well, that's real good.
Works in the cap who will remain nameless. The fact that he's broken for 3 hours without a rest break, he'll go so far.
So the volume can be raised and lowered at an acceptable level now. So I'm going to go ahead and put the screws in it, put the battery cover back on, all back together. Let's turn it on. Now the range is just a very small turn of the control.
Came along. Harris's number started to fall a little bit. The reason they were falling is because she did a media blitz at that.
Just a few months ago.
Of a place called Vietnam.
So it does work. It is working pretty well. That's about as low as it goes on volume, but that's 1,000% better than it was.
Tuning into बोली प्यार की 5:30 तक कंटिन्यू रखेंगे हम हमारी रीजनल लैंग्वेज सॉन्ग के आइए चलते हैं नेक्स्ट फनी रेडियो आप ऑन एयर है आपका नाम किशन
To harm reduction supplies means drug money to put drugs in your butthole. Those are the terms.
Well, I'll be dead gum about that.
Corporation Services is
Never know what you're going to hear on the AM radio. Once again, this has been refurbishing the Channel Master 6510 from approximately 61 or 62. Thank you for watching.